Hi guys, welcome back to another Galaxy look. As you guys know, or if you didn't know, I'll tell you really quick that blue, purple, and pink is one of my favorite color combinations. I've really been feeling it lately, along with like black lipstick and just a really dark look and the straight brows. I'm just really feeling it. I like to adventure in different styles, and this is the one I like right now. So, without further ado, if you want to know how I got this glowing, dark Galaxy look, then keep on watching. Like usual, to start out, I'm going to prime my lids with my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot and an M421 brush. Now I'm going to buff this in with my M173 brush. First, on an M224 brush, I'm going to pick up the shade Very Good from the Morphe 39S palette and put that in my crease. Now I'm going to blend out the edges with the shade Pink Prize on an M441 brush. And I'm going to take a little bit of Very Good on that brush too to help with the blending. The next color we will be using is called Cherry Wet. It's from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Strawbreaker palette, and I'm going to put this in my crease with an M506 brush. Now I'm going to go in with that M441 brush again, but this time I'm going to pick up Bubblegum from that same palette. Going to take that brush and go back in with Very Good just to blend it up a little bit higher. Now going back into Jawbreaker, I'm going to pick up the shade Raspberry on an M431 brush and put that deepest in my crease. Going to take that M506 brush with Cherry Wet again to blend in Raspberry. Now with an M124 brush, I'm going to take the shade Blackout by Urban Decay and put that deepest in my crease. Now I'm going to take a different M431 brush, but that I used for black previously. I'm not going to add any more black to it. I'm just going to use what's already on there to help blend this in. And I am going to pick up a little bit of Raspberry on this brush as well. Going to drag out this black a little bit with an M506 brush. Just the tiniest bit on the brush. I'm just going back and forth with that black and raspberry on this M506 brush just to make sure it's really blended into the pink and smoked out how I like it. Now going back to that flat M124 brush, I'm going to put black in my inner and outer corner. Now I'm going to take a Q-tip and some micellar water and clean up the center of the lid so we can add more colors. Now on an M421 brush, I'm going to pack on some of my ColourPop No Filter Concealer on the center of this lid. Just going to use my pinky to blend in the concealer with the black eyeshadow. Now on an M431 brush, I'm going to put the shade Delicious in my inner and outer corners. Now on that same brush, I'm going to put the shade Make It Rain from the Morphe 39S palette closer to the center of the lid. Now I'm going to blend in the shade Great Minds, again going closer to the center of the lid. Lastly, on the center of the lid, I'm going to put the shade Purple Majesty. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye, and I'll be right back. I'm going to put black in my lower lash line. Much like the last video, I'm going to do it before I do my face makeup because I don't want any fallout later. So I'm going to apply the black with another M124 brush. Now on an M251 brush, I'm going to put the Jeffree Star Liquid Lip Breakfast at Tiffany's in my waterline. Alright, let's pause the eyes for a moment and start working on the face. First, I'm going to prime using my Benefit Professional Primer. Now for foundation, like usual, going in with my normal ColourPop No Filter foundation stick. Like the last few Like the last few videos, I'm going to blend this out with my M439 brush. Now I'm going to lightly conceal the highest points of my face with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Pharaoh 2. And I'm going to blend this out with my M173 brush. Now I'm going to set everywhere that we just concealed using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 05 on a Morphe E48 brush. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Press Powder and my Morphe M527 brush. Now let's finish off these eyes. First on my pinky, I'm going to go into the Morphe 39S palette and put the shade Marvelous on the center of my lid. Next, I'm going to take the shades Oh Yes and Here For It and put those right on top. Lastly, I'm going to put the shade Pearlflexion on top of all of these. Now I'm going to pop on some lashes and I'll be right back to finish off the face. One last thing before I finish off the face, for mascara on my lower lashes, I'm going to be applying the ColourPop Voluminizing Colored Mascara in the shade Kissin' Teal, just to match my waterline and give it a little extra oomph. The wand is like pretty thick, a little too thick for my liking because I'm only going to be applying these colored mascaras on my lower lashes, so I like to go in with what's ever left on the tip and just put that on first, and then I go in with the brush and even it all out. Alright, now let's finish off this face. First I'm going to contour using my Morphe E4 brush and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit. I'm just going to do a light layer of blush today. I'm just going to use my normal ColourPop one with my M405 brush. Now on a wet M501 brush, I'm going to take the shade Starburst and Marshmallow from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit for my highlight today. I'm also going to dip back into the Morphe 39S palette and put the shade Pearlflexion on my highlight as well. And I'm going to also apply Here For It and Oh Yes. I almost forgot what it was called, but how can I forget with that name? So I'm also going to put Oh Yes and Here For It in my highlight as well. I kind of like the glitter look. I don't really like glitter, but I'm starting to warm up to it, I guess. Gonna get the brush nice and coated. Give a nice purple-pink galaxy glow that can be seen from outer space. I am feeling like a bad bitch today. Oh girl, on the nose, oh, she is stunning. Oh, I love highlight. You know what I don't love? Runny noses. And guess who made another appearance? I'm going to apply all of these colors that I just did for my highlight on my inner corner and a little bit on my brow bone too. For lips, I'm going to use a black liquid lipstick today. I've been really feeling black lips, have you noticed? Here's the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!